see the Joker's men here have been eliminated. Good work. But remember, our primary objective is the Bat. We must remain vigilant.
He will not get past us. And this is the only way to the penthouse.
We can hope you're right, but only time will test your words. The Bat is coming.
I'm distracting you, boys. Too bad. Your boss and I made a deal, and getting to cheer you on is part of it.
I'm going to rip out that fool's spine! Watch out! Do that again and I'll kill you. We must stay strong.
Don't wear yourself out the appetizer.
That took me by surprise!
You still gotta handle the main course.
Are you over there? I will find you soon!
Well, look at that! Another one of Bane's boys
trying my
bites the dust.
patience.
I'm shocked! Oh, wait, no, I'm not.
I have lingered too long! Don't freak! We are being taken out one at a time! I will avenge you, my friend! Supposed to be covering him, hey? Let this one be the last victim! Start from here and scour the area.
I don't think Bane whips you fellas often enough.
Why does Bane let him torment us with his insane babbling? I wasn't prepared for this! I can usually track any living creature. Where is he?
On the off chance you make it out if you're alive, Batman, I've got something really special planned for you.
If Bane does not kill the clown, I will. Where are you hiding?
You'll have to excuse me. I guess you weren't explicitly told that if you happen to see the Bat, you can fight back!
I found another victim! With pain comes purification. Another casualty! No more! It's time to prove ourselves as warriors! Here's some! Leave no stone unturned!
This is without a doubt the most pathetic display I've ever had the fortune of witnessing. Ha! I love it! You'll have to excuse me. I guess you weren't explicitly told that if you happen to see the Bat, you can fight back!
That's it! Arm the proximity mines and the gargoyles!
Another casualty! Sailor! What's not in your plan? If we are not vigilant, this will be our fate. Learn from your past mistakes. Run out! Keep looking!
You'll have to excuse me. I guess you weren't explicitly told that if you happen to see the Bat, you can fight back!
sight at the Royal. Anyone have eyes on the Bat? 6-4. He's on his way up to the penthouse to meet Psionic. Good. When they come down, we'll be ready for him. Get in position.
Of you to drop in. And just in time.
He's mine, Payaso!
Remember, you gave your word.
You have 1 minute.
Do they even have manners where he comes from? You see, it's a tradition in my house to open one present each on Christmas Eve. How about this one? And a partridge in a pear tree.
How many lives did you just take?
None. I think that was just a little stocking stuffer. A construction site blocking my view. But this one isn't.
I've long waited for this moment. With your death, I will find peace.
And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, I present to you the death of the Batman.
Let us see what you can do. Your technique is predictable.
stand by and watch you kill yourself. I'm calling Captain Gordon.
No, not now.
Very good. I see there is still some fight left in you. Yes. Now beat it out of him!
Gordon is on his way, sir. You have to hold Bane off until he arrives.
Was the night before Christmas in all not a creature was stirring, not even a... Oh, well, if that was stirring, but a few more blows to the head and he won't be anymore.
When I'm done with you, payaso loco, run for your life! You cannot win!
He hit you so hard it hurt me! Oh, come on, at least make a fight out of it. I want my money's worth. $50 million worth.
Is this all the fight?
Looks like this is it. It was nice knowing you. Actually, no, it wasn't.
Your attention, Batman! Fight me!
You just ran out of time.
Stand down! Stand down! Face down!
Now this is what I call a party!
This rooftop's getting too hot. You got off easy.
Just where do you think you're going, huh? I'm the one who's trying to kill you! Those were two very, very bad men. Oh, the things they've done. You really don't want to know. They deserved death. Just like me.
Freeze! Don't move, freak!
I think he's talking to you.
Take him down! Down! Let me guess. He got away. Take him to Blackgate.
Where'd he go? Huh? The Bat. Your partner. My partner?
Who else would jump off a building to save your sorry ass?
You know, officer. I was wondering the same thing myself.
Welcome to Blackgate. We're gonna do a quick psychiatric evaluation. Bad day, huh? Cops in this city. Always beating on the sick and defenseless.
Tell me something, dear. Have you ever had a really bad day?
And what do you mean by that?
You of all people should know. There's nothing so cruel as memory. The pointy biting to a thunderbolts, unwanted party crashes screaming through your synapses. Inescapable, unrelenting, not at all friendly. You can't even escape into madness. And then you meet someone who changes your life. And you feel that you don't even know who you are anymore. Isn't it funny how one little encounter can cleave off little pieces of your past, deform your memories and persona until you rethink your whole identity? And as you realize how foolish it is, your laughter reverberates off the walls of your own emptiness.
Okay. I'm gonna need more specifics. How about we try some word association?
That sounds delightful.
Acceptance.
That's a little tried, isn't it?
Look, I'm only doing this to help you. Let's try this again. Acceptance.
My favorite stage.
Okay. One more. And I need you to be serious for this one. Fate.
You want to know something funny? I used to think of fate as evil. Predetermined, not by some higher power, no, but by the rules of human nature. Tonight, it's all changed.
What's changed?
Have you ever had the feeling that your entire life has been building towards this one moment?
Is that how you feel?
Well, now, yes. Now I realize that all the battles, the bad days, the brutalities, it was all the hand of fate at work.
So now you see fate differently?
Absolutely. Now I understand there are no chance encounters. It was all meant to be. Everything leading up to who I've met tonight.
So you've met someone special?
Yes. And you might say it's changed everything.
Everything?
Absolutely. I mean, do you realize what a vile world we live in? How lonely it is to wade through all that wretched filth on your own?
It is kind of lonely, isn't it?
Of course. Of course, you understand. Even in a crowd of other screwballs. You're so alone that you can kick, claw, yell, scream at the top of your lungs. It's like you don't even exist. I feel...
And how does that make you feel?
I feel adrift, floating, like someone's pulled the stopper on my reality, and I'm sucked down the drain into something new. It's all very exciting, really. You wouldn't know what that feels like, I'm sure.
I might. Can you tell me more about how this person makes you feel?
It's like meeting someone I can actually relate to. Which, believe me, dear, I've never felt before. You understand? You're someone who's not afraid to let go and fall. Free falling, and I didn't pack a chute. You know what I mean?
Yes. Yes, I do.
I figured you would.
So, may I ask, who is this person?
Oh, someone very, very special. But whose real name I don't even know yet.
My name's Holleen. Holleen Quinzel.
What a pretty name. Do your friends call you Holly?
Oh, I don't have a lot of friends.
Well, Holly, you got one now. Why would you do that? Newsflash! I'm the one who's trying to kill you!
There's no need for this. The worst kind of criminal.
Wait. Why do you do what you do?
Master Bruce, it might be a bit anticlimactic, but I hoped you might finally be ready to celebrate Christmas Eve, now that the Joker's behind bars.
Bane is still out there. I've got to locate the signal from the tracker I placed on him.
Even you must eat, sir.
If you hadn't called the police, he'd already be in custody.
Dispatch, this is Delta 47.
You know, I made a promise of my own to your parents.
No sign of any casualties.
Not now, Alfred.
Story back at the precinct. Place CVAC. Found bombs under the foundation. Some kind of hopped-up freak. Must have been 400 pounds of muscle. Took 6 cops to gun that bastard down. Yeah, I saw the body in the morgue. Couldn't believe it.
Sounds like this could be Bane or one of his men. If I hurry to the GCPD morgue, I can inspect the body and the autopsy report.
Well, before you leave, I've run some tests on the compound you found at the steel mill. Looks like a match for your globular projectile for non-lethal restraint.
You mean the glue grenade?
Indeed. The resin has finished curing. It's at your workbench. Of course, I'd recommend testing it here in the lab before you go, but I'm sure you won't listen to me. You never do. So I take it you... won't be testing it, then?
It's called field testing, Alfred.
Master Bruce. Stop! Master Bruce. Bruce, I will not in good conscience allow you to go. You're outmatched by these assassins.
What?
You're not some hardened vigilante. You're a young man with a trust fund and too much anger. You're in over your head, and I don't want this to be your end.
Alfred, who do you see when you look at me? The boy whose shoes you used to tie every morning? The teenager you drove to his first date? While you are here every night, I am out there. The only thing between the innocent and the predator.
Be.
No, not may be. I am. When the mugger or the thief stops to think twice, that is fear. That is what I am. That is why they hired assassins, because I am the reason the criminals breathe easier when the sun rises. So no, Alfred, I am not in over my head. Tonight will not be my end, but it will be theirs.
I trust you realize you can't just waltz into the GCPD after everything that's happened there tonight.
I know I can't do that. I'll have to find a way in that'll avoid detection.
Indeed. Look, I'm sorry about what I said before you left. I hope you understand. It's just because...
It's okay. I understand.
units. Getting calls about a disturbance. Stand by for location.
Get them on position! There's no way I'm winding up on the floor like some worthless mope.
I'm not going down like that!
Don't let this happen to you, unless you like eating steak with straw. You're not losing another cop to this bastard. I want him dead! He's cutting right through us! Got an officer down! Is anyone gonna help me or what? Suspect is using smoke!
Can't see a thing in this stuff!